Hi everyone! In this video, I'm gonna make kimchi bokkeumbap. There are various kimchi fried rice recipes in Korea. Some people put tuna or fish cake, and some people put bacon or ham. This time, let's make spam kimchi fried rice the most common recipe in Korea. Okay, let's get started. First, put half a cup of kimchi in a bowl. And chop it into small pieces with scissors. You can use a knife, but I don't want the cutting board to turn red, so I recommend this way. And cut the spam into small pieces. Now place the pan over high heat and fry the egg. Add a little salt and pepper and set it aside. And place the pan over medium-high heat and add ham and kimchi. Then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and stir fry it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add some cold rice. Turn off the heat when the water is completely gone. Finally, put the fried egg and seaweed on top. And sprinkle some sesame. That's it! Enjoy!